Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about CommBank's customer care contact options. CommBank offers several ways for customers to get in touch. The most modern and often most convenient option is to use the CommBank app. Within the app, you can use the messaging feature to chat with their virtual assistant, SEBA, 24/7. SEBA can handle many routine questions, and if you need a human, it can connect you to a specialist. For those who prefer to speak to someone, you can call them. The main number for general personal banking inquiries is 13-22-21. This number is available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., Monday to Friday, and for urgent matters like lost or stolen cards, it's available 24/7. If you are overseas, you can contact them on +61 2 9999 3283. They also have dedicated numbers for specific services like business banking, home loans, and CommSEC. Another option is to visit a physical branch. For in-person support, you can use their branch locator tool on the website to find your nearest location. Lastly, for non-urgent matters, you can also use NetBank, their online banking platform, to send secure messages to a representative. So, to summarize, your main options are messaging through the CommBank app, calling them, visiting a branch, or sending a secure message via NetBank. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.